Let's talk about our dual head cleansing and exfoliating brush. I love these because they're small, they don't require any batteries, and we have a couple colors to choose from. So you get a cleansing brush side that after you've gotten all your makeup off your face, once you put your face cleanser on a couple places in your face, you get the brush wet with some warm water and you just cleanse your face in circular motions. This is gonna help you get a little bit of a deeper clean. It's gonna get into your pores and your skin's gonna feel so soft afterwards. They're also non-abrasive brushes. They're nice and soft, and it's still gonna get the job done. Oh, I love it. And then you have your exfoliation side. I like to exfoliate all the dead skin cells off my face several times a week. It's gonna help get rid of those impurities and get rid of any of your dead skin cells. So if you're doing one of your exfoliation days, you just use this rubber exfoliation side after you put your cleanser on, and same thing in circular motions. I like to go down into my neck as well. These are fabulous, they're easy to use, and they're very compact, ladies. Happy cleansing and exfoliating.